Welcome back or welcome. Tomorrow is Christmas. Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate. We are all dressed for my family's Christmas party later, but first I figured I'd give a little present to you guys. We're starting the TI finally. Still looking pretty.
I'm so excited to have two matching E36s. Matching. You gotta man the brakes.
Alright, I'll try my best.
A few moments later.
I'm sick of pushing cars, man.
It wasn't so bad.
Yeah, you didn't do anything.
I don't remember if we told you guys, but the motor mounts did come in the mail from Tech 53. When you put me in the spotlight. We are starting this off by removing unnecessary brackets.
You ready, Kai? You cutting it or am I cutting it?
I don't want to cut it.
You want to cut it?
Yeah.
Alright, then we gotta switch.
What are you cutting?
I gotta get rid of all these brackets, Jim.
Why?
So it looks ugly.
It's a TI.
That's a valid point.
Let's bolt this engine in. Come on, let's go.
Nah.
Come on, we'll do it right now. I'll help you.
Get rid of this one, get rid of these two.
Isn't that your power steering bracket?
No.
Yeah, your power steering bolt's there, doesn't it?
No.
Where's the power steering reservoir bolt? Oh, off the engine
Off
mount,
the
right?
engine, yeah.
What the fuck goes there?
318 bullshit.
Maybe you should Google what that is before you cut it off.
No.
You gonna delete this fucking thing?
Fuck yeah.
Okay. I can see you cutting everything off and leaving that.
Shut up.
What?
You good?
What? I'm chilling.
Can you hit me that shit? I need tools.
We need sound effects when you got Jim in the background.
What do you want?
Can we do the snap and come back to this? Subbed in Kai.
Yep. You like my OSHA approved outfit?
That rad support just got a sick view, I bet.
Shut up. And we are bracketless. Time to clean it up a little bit and spray it with some trim black. Stop it. Stop. It's almost the year anniversary of that.
I'm gonna think it's not a Miata.
Anyways, they cleaned up super nice. Jordy, you want to tell them the next steps?
The steering rack is bad. I have an extra for my coupe, but we'll just use it for this. And then Jim goes, oh hey, like that brake line's cut. Thanks, Tommy. So now we gotta find a brake line.
You're wondering, how the hell did they find out the steering rack is broken? Blah, blah, blah. Turns out, our great friend Grant had this car before us.
Tommy had it, was gonna cut it in half, make it a truck. Stupid, by the way. And then Grant took it, tried to save it.
He paint corrected the roof, he said, replaced the hatch that had broken glass.
And the rear windows.
Yeah.
And then he didn't want to finish it, so he sold it back to Tommy. And then it sat at Tommy's for 2 years, and then now we have it. And we're gonna bring this bitch back to life.
Shake some ass while you're up there.
Gotta give you some gas.
Yeah?
We got a brake line, dude.
Yeah. That was easy. Where's that button at? What do you guys do before a family event? Or any party for that matter? I'm curious, because it seems we're always here. Nothing wrong with that.
Shave bay. Man. Brake line. 7 out of 10. Works, but doesn't look great. Whatever. Steering rack. Well, let's do it on Sunday. Tomorrow.
Yeah, we're running late to our
Whatever.
party. So on that note, see you guys tomorrow.
Steering rack time, Kai.
Time to put the engine in.
That too.
What do you have to do to get it in? Rack it in.
Put it in. Yeah, put a new rack because it'll be easier with the engine out.
Put a girl on. Nice.
It's a cheat code.
One boot down. Can we, bald! I've been working at the railroad.
Nice rack.
Thanks.
You put the engine in yet?
It's like the equivalent. Are we there yet? Now let's get this baby tied in. Good enough. Push the wheel in.
Putting your new boots on, Kai.
Yeah, new boot goofing. I got demoted to tool bitch.
Know your spot, bitch.
Can wait for the new.
Kai, you gotta go find the cross member, and then we're good to put it in. Gotta clean the trans cross member thing.
Scuff pad, brake cleaner. What more do you need?
A parts cleaner. My bad, I forgot we had the actual good shit.
Thank you, Import Works.
I feel like we're gonna be here a little while. Got the goods, Tech 53 goods.
Oh yeah. Don't forget, we have a code, JK5 for 5% off. It was cleaned up super nice.
Digging her out of the cave.
Dungeons, man.
The dungeon, man. Dun dun dun. You don't need help, right?
You got it.
You got this. You're a big boy. See, I got you, baby. Don't say I never did nothing for you.
Put it in reverse, Terry. Nice. Alright, put it in. Found hose that fits.
Just gotta find hose clamps.
Looks good.
Yay.
No
The best
front
part
end.
about BMWs.
4 bolts.
You got yourself in a tight corner there, dude. I want to know the count on this thing. Because you always have these engine cranes and you're like, oh, like how many times can you use it? And you're like, this thing's got crazy body count. Yeah.
I think I'm on 10.
It's crazy.
I don't want to hear that.
These things are really nice.
Yeah.
Who makes these?
Tech 53.
Tech 53. These are probably the nicest. I've had a lot of these mounts too. These are like, these ones are really nice.
How's it going with your strap?
I'm not sure. That's good.
Yeah, your strap on?
You want to put another strap on this?
Hanging on by
We
a
need
long
one more strap, Jordy.
That's better.
Not the most ideal, but it's
Yeah,
better.
it's better.
Yeah, that front strap's just done for. Crazy. This is the most fucked up I've ever put engine in my life.
That's what happens when you work with us. It's funny because Jordy and I did this by ourselves the first time.
Yeah, it was mint too.
Yeah, I mean, if the straps are level, the engine could just go. But the straps are so crooked, it's gonna make it a little bit. Kyle, you want to hold it away from the strut tower so no? I mean, sorry, it's easy to touch up. But...
Still get your finger in.
I'll try my best not to.
You know what's sick about this one, man?
What?
Oil pan's not leaking.
Yeah, it's gonna go in the mount. You want to guide the mountain while I pick the engine up?
Stance is crazy.
Yeah, I see your fingers.
Go down real slow. Right.
I'll be able to see it underneath.
I think that one's located.
Yay! There's an engine in it.
Thanks, James.
Jordy's putting in the trans mounts and the...
Cross member.
Where are you going now, Chris? Trans is in, engine is in. Now the fun part, the plug and play. Ground is on. The battery for the TI actually sits in the front. We're used to the one sitting in the back. So we're gonna get a small CRV battery, put it over here, and tie these terminals to the positive. Squeezed in the rain tray. Now we gotta find little screws. Yeah, official. Can you put the molding back on?
You do it.
Who's the tough guy now, huh?
Yeah, see? It's so fucking easy.
No, she did get it on. Fuck
did,
you,
I
fuck
know.
you, Jordy. We gotta find our tongue now. Plot twist, we just gaslit her into putting that thing in.
Yeah, you would have did it way better than I did.
Yeah,
So.
Oh, whatever. Look at that.
It's like it should have came with this. We're talking about power steering. Have our lovely low pressure. Beautiful. Whatever. Feed into the pump. I don't remember which hole is high pressure, low pressure, return, feed, whatever. So I gotta figure that out. But I got our lovely Chase Bay's line. It's the E36 kit, whatever it is on the website is this one.
Sick. George figured it out.
Damn right. 2 fuel lines and a battery away.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're buying the battery though.
Yeah, is she? I love that.
Yeah.
Like to start a car, you just need electronics, right? ECU and harness and fuel. Everything else is to keep it running.
Yep.
I hope that exhaust fits, Jordy. That'd be a huge win.
If it doesn't, I'm just gonna cut the muffler off.
You ever weld before?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
welded my roll bar in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should weld the exhaust.
I'm down.
I like
Good.
this. This is good.
Make it up.
We got the MIG. You could just kind of go like this. and if it sucks, you just flapper it away and no one knows.
In the car, like everything.
Nah, it's dead up, just a muffler.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sick.
It's not rusty underneath, which is nice.
And we have an engine in the car. Yay! We got a lot done today and yesterday. Anyways, we're gonna come back tomorrow, do the fuel lines, and hopefully start this baby. We still need a radiator, but thankfully it'll start without one. Day 3. I'm really determined to get this stupid blower motor out today, so that's what I'm gonna try and figure out as Jordy figures out where the lines route to the fuel. Thanks, Pamo, for this video. According to it, I have to take this piece that we put on yesterday to take out the blower motor. I guess since we can't do the blower motor, I'm gonna watch Jordy do the fuel lines.
Gotta figure out what lines go where, Kai.
Dusty. We already had a little splash.
Can you give me a pick? Can you do something useful?
You got them all?
Oh yeah, I'm the fucking man.
We gotta measure the old one. Not really measure, but I already cut the new one, so. Right here. Let's give it a sec. Yeah. Cut down.
How long is it gonna be?
It's gotta be this long.
You're 1000% sure.
Yes.
You match the feed up with the feed and the return up with the return. Your smirk is telling me otherwise. I'm gonna double check this work.
It's the same length, wasn't it?
Nice lines, man.
You got that bitch?
Kai, I'm on the last one.
Okay. You need a battery?
Get out my ass like that.
Oh, it's nice.
Find a battery, yo.
Instead of a battery, we're gonna go grab DJ's jump pack.
What the hell?
I need your jump pack.
It broke.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. We need it for the TI.
What? There's no motor in it.
Oh god, this is heavy. Alright, got Big Blue.
That's a good one.
Big Blue. I'll never expect
You should just wrap that jump pack in and just go fucking drift.
Just go for a drive. I was thinking about it. I was like, damn. That coil's take this in for a drive.
Dude, this, I mean, it has
Has
stock
no
suspension.
radiator.
Drift it, stock suspension. Be sick. Give it, yo.
If I found a radiator, I would.
This is gonna be really loud.
Oh yeah, because it's got no exhaust, right?
And it's gonna suck. You have a key to this car?
Yeah.
Not even
When Green even playing with it in the woods. There you go, hazards are on.
She got juice.
She got juice.
All right, Kai, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Turn this baby on.
Engine swap. First time ever putting an M50 in a E36 Ti. What? Doesn't do anything? That sucks. Turn your hazards off. They're pissing me off. Oh my god. What did Kai fuck up?
I didn't touch anything.
This isn't plugged in. What is this one?
That's automatic transmission.
Oh, so you don't need this one?
Yes.
I don't need a fuel pump or nothing.
Yeah.
Did the battery die? Doesn't that have power? Why the hatch are shut off?
I'd turn them off.
Oh, you said there was no button.
I found it.
Is there an engine ground? Does it have an engine ground?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it has no fuel pressure.
Is the ECU plugged in?
Oh, there's no ECU in it. Yeah. My
Look at this.
I forgot I took it out.
That'll help.
There you go.
Alright, now I hear shit humming. It's on it, right?
Everything's plugged in. Or is that any of the fuses blown?
Maybe, I don't know.
Having some technical difficulties.
Yeah, that might do it. I gotta buy a new hanger, Jim.
Why? Is it missing?
No, it's there.
It broke off the thing.
No, there's like a lot of acorns. I also don't think that there's a line going from the tank to, unless the pump's on the other side of the car.
That's crazy.
It's good, dude.
My butt crack's hanging out. So it's the purple one and the one next to it. So the purple one. Whatever that other wire is. Fucking fart, so. Well, that's one issue solved.
Cool.
So cranks?
She cranks.
You heard it.
The clutch switch is just missing from the car.
Oh.
Yeah. So whatever, you want to bypass them anyways. Why the fuel pump isn't turning on? You said it looks foo-foo in there, right?
You didn't look at it?
No.
Oh,
Is that bad? Full crank, that's good.
it's pretty bad.
Wow. It's alright.
Well, it's got no feed line.
He's gonna. What?
Usually 2 lines.
Yeah. I'm surprised it's not like spraying anywhere.
Yeah. So it's kind of a good thing the pump's probably dead.
Full cranks.
Yay.
Did some digging, Kai. I think I figured it out. Let's see if it actually worked. Do you think it's gonna start this time?
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed?
Yeah.
Kai, we got a runner. I don't know what else to say. M50, best motor.
I hope you enjoyed our little Christmas gift to you guys. Finally got to work on it. Very excited. Thank you again, Tech53, for all the goodies for the TI. Go check them out. Use our code JK5 for 5% off at checkout.
And no, we're not kidding.
We're gonna investigate a little further into the fuel pump issue off camera. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week for my private day! Last one of the year! High expectations? Maybe. We'll see. Till then, see you.